Adjacent. Whose room is adjacent to mine?
The empty one. Whoever's room that one is.
Okay. Whoever's room that is, which is actually going to be Miss Volker. That's like complicated because it's like kind of office hallway thing. So we'll talk about this one right here. Miss Volker's room is adjacent to mine. Why? Jack?
It's next to it.
Okay, what else? What? Okay. What do we share?
A wall.
We share a wall. Okay. That wall is also her wall. Adjacent angles. They share more than a point.
A wall.
Okay. So they have angles with a common side.
So it would be bisecting and adjacent.
It doesn't have to be bisecting. So maybe I will.
LS is that lines.
This is an angle
That's
sign.
an angle sign. I thought it was
Yeah.
sillier.
Okay. So I know we talked about an angle bisector yesterday. That's a special case, right, of an adjacent angles scenario. But as long as our two angles share a side, they are adjacent. Now, the side needs to be interior. Okay. So I'm going to say that ABC and CBD are adjacent because they share side BC. You know what, I'm gonna move this over a little bit. I'm gonna call this angle 1 and angle 2 so I don't have to write as much. Angle 1 and angle 2 share side BC. Okay, yeah.
Is ABD not adjacent?
No. Okay. If ABD was adjacent to somebody, it would have to be like this. Okay. BC is like interior, and so that's the common side that we share. All right. Linear pair. What word is like hidden inside of that? So what do you suppose this pair create? Okay. Angle 4 and angle 5 are a linear pair because they are adjacent angles whose uncommon sides are opposite rays. We talked about opposite rays yesterday, right? So we have adjacent angles basically that form a line. Okay. So what would the sum of angles 4 and 5 be? 180. That's going to become important here pretty soon. Okay. $180. $180. Did I say 120?
No, you said 180.
Okay. I said, you heard. That's. Okay. Vertical angles. Somebody was trying to talk about vertical angles yesterday.
No, I was talking about.
Okay. Go ahead and draw this picture. Okay.
Oh wait, I remember the thing was like that side is the same as that side, so you can call it the same.
Okay, so let's define it. Non-adjacent angles formed by intersecting lines. Okay, so I have two lines that intersect. We're talking about the non-adjacent angles. So who is not adjacent to angle 1, Luca?
4. Wait, no, 3, my bad.
Okay. Do you see how like they kind of like create a V with each other? Right? Do you see that? Okay. So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical. Okay. Fun fact about vertical angles. Anyone know it? Could we say congruent? Okay. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 4. Fabulous. What relationship could we describe about angles 1 and 2?
Linear pair.
They're a linear pair because they're adjacent and they make a line. All right. I am going to give you a moment. You and your elbow partner, if they're here today, fill out these 3 right here. I got to get some water.
Fill the problem out. Angle 6. Wait, what did I put? The answer is what I Wait, would the answer be? Name all angles adjacent to
And then angle 4.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Wait, you still coming? I got 1 and 3. No, because 2 would work.
So you go do the work alone.
Name 2 linear pairs.
This word.
Really, you lift your elbow partner. Do you like? Does your when you take off your scissors at the end of the day?
Only 1 and 2.
Okay. Aaron, who is vertical to angle 4? Angle 6. Does anybody disagree with Aaron and Ethan? Okay. Logan, give me one of the angles adjacent to AGC.
1 or all?
Give me one.
Okay, 1.
Okay. Ella, give me another one.
Angle 3.
Okay. Anybody disagree with angle 1 and angle 3?
You can do angle 3.
What? Adjacent to this guy? Okay. There are lots of possible answers for the third one. Okay? Kelly, give me one of your answers. Angle 1 and angle 2. Good. Dot, give me another possible answer. Okay. Who else has a different answer they'd like to share? Jack.
ABC and CGB.
Yep.
Angle 5 and 6.
Yep. Adeline? Oh, sorry.
Angle 4 and 5.
Okay, Ethan? A, G, C. We can be really obnoxious, right? There's a lot of possible answers there. Are we all okay with what a linear pair is? All right, next page. So, on this next page, tell me something about example 5. What's true? What kind of angles are they? Oh my gosh, there's so many people who want to answer. Charles. These are vertical angles. What do we know about vertical angles? They're congruent. Okay, before you get there, example 6. What kind of angles are example 6? They are a linear pair, which means what? Okay. Solve for those two variables. Ready, set, go. Yeah, I don't know what it is about these past couple days, but I get hungry all the time.
That was really helpful.
What's 18 divided by 3? Yeah. So 183 divided by 3. Is that what we're dividing?
182 divided by 13.
Oh, I did not hear, I heard 3. I did not hear 13.
3? No.
All right, in number 5. Oh, man, did you get Z equals 10? Yes. That's kind of lame. That wasn't a very exciting problem. What?
Oh, I minus 3. Okay.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, in example 6, 9t plus 3 added to 4t minus 5 equals 180. So we have 13t equals 182. In your sleep, he says. Okay. Okay, so because of map testing, that was the chunk of problems that I couldn't assign you yesterday because we didn't have time for it. All right, so you are going to have to practice these types of problems from yesterday's homework that I couldn't assign, as well as, let's go ahead and turn the page to our 2-2. This should be a review.
Complementary and supplementary.
Yeah. Okay. I know that Miss Panchulo, or myself, taught you about complementary and supplementary in algebra because we had that added chapter in January to start the semester. Okay? Complementary. Two angles that... Okay. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Okay? Do they have to be adjacent? Yes. No. No, they do not. I'm going to draw a picture of them adjacent, but they do not have to be. Okay? Complementary just means they add to 90. Okay? Okay? Supplementary. Two angles whose sum is So these two angles are supplementary because they add up to 180. They don't have to be next to each other, okay? What? I mean, there's not a special notation, no. Okay? Philly, what does perpendicular mean?
I know, I remember this one. I do.
So, what is it? No, I remember this.
I do. I'm gonna be so mad when I don't remember this. Oh, perpendicular is the one like a T or it's like it's always like
They intersect at what kind of an angle?
right. They're all right.
Okay,
I'm so
you're
mad.
all right.
Thank you.
Okay, lines, rays, segments, whatever it is, they're intersecting at a right angle. Okay, I need you to understand that the notation for perpendicular is this, upside down T. That means something is perpendicular. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
I feel like in,
Yeah.
You showed us that last year.
okay.
Oh no, my
Okay. Are we okay with those pictures and definitions? All right. If I look at this beautiful picture and I want to pick out two angles that are complementary, I'm looking for two angles that add up to 90 degrees. There is more than one possible answer. Okay? One of the angles could be angle TOS because it's 15 degrees. So you could do ROQ or you could do TOP.
Angle.
Okay? 75 plus 15 is 100, or excuse me, is 90, so those are complementary. Okay. Name a pair of supplement. Oh, what did you say?
Oh, I just noticed that there were two verticals.
Okay, Philly noticed that angle top and angle ROQ are vertical angles. Nice catch there, buddy. All right. Angles that are supplementary. We could go crazy and name a lot of different options. Okay. Vivi, give me just one of the angles that you see up there. TOP?
Yeah. Aren't you supposed to write it in supplementary?
Yeah. Okay, so angle TOP is here. That's 75 degrees. So I need an angle that adds up to 180 degrees with 75. Or TOR. Ooh, ROT, that's a better one. Angle ROT would also be supplementary to that. Welcome back to school.
Corbin's finger really got it.
All right. Now, do you see the 90-degree angle symbol?
Yes.
Okay, so I know that this is 90 degrees. Is there another angle that is 90 degrees?
Yes.
Technically, SOP is also. Since these are opposite rays, we know that this also is a 90-degree angle. But if I'm asking you two rays that are perpendicular, I can look at this picture and I see that ray OR is perpendicular to ray OS because of that box mark saying that it's 90 degrees. Yeah? Okay. I would like to give you a moment for you and your table to work through example 2. I'm going to give you like 60 to 90 seconds and then we'll talk about it all together.
Yeah, so supplementary.
Have we had negative angles?
What's 180 minus 28?
Are you thinking? Light bulb came on. Hey,
How do you find the complementary angle for 92 degrees?
You can't.
-2.
Ethan, that's not an angle.
That's why I put no solution. I put no.
Eric, go.
Aaron, why do you have one shoe on?
My other shoes want to.
all right. What's the complement to 28?
It looks good.
What about the supplement? Okay. I'm going to go in a weird order. What's the supplement to 92? What's the complement? Okay, we don't have negative angles. Not in geometry.
Not yet. It was a joke.
Pretty much, yeah. All right. Turn to example 3. I looked out the window and I saw it. Yes. Aaron left this ball outside. All right. Hey. We're back. We're back. We're back. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. What should we algebraically do? Okay. Which means 9x minus 27 equals 180. So 9x equals is 20 x is 23?
Yeah, that one's a lot easier to do. Because all you have to do is
Hey, you can use a calculator. It's fine. Okay. Yes, my dear? Yeah. Because they don't equal each other. Yep. All right, now, the measure of angle 2, remember we're going to use the M when we're talking about the measure. Angle 2 is 5x minus 9. So the measure of angle 2
106.
Yeah, how are they gonna do this in their head?
I swallowed one when I was younger. And I gained its power.
Okay. I know that it's Friday and it's an exciting day and you're really loving the math answers that we're getting. But shh. Okay. I think you really want my help with example 4.
What?
2 complementary angles. The measure of the larger angle is 5 more than 4 times the measure of the smaller. Okay, do we know the smaller? Okay, so let's call it x. So we have the measure of our first angle is x, and the measure of our second angle is 5 more than 4 times the smaller. So 4x plus 5. 5 more than 4 times the smaller. So what do we need to do with these two? They're not equal to each other. Complementary means 90. Gosh darn it. I'm sorry. So, hey, Bebo, stop it. I want the 2 angles. So, 17 degrees and 4 times 17 plus 5, probably 73.
Can you just minus 17 from 90 instead of doing that?
Uh-huh.
Saying it. I would still be on this problem by myself. I like feeling the blank from your head.
You know what? This is taking a long time because you won't be quiet in between. Billy? Okay. Yep. Every day. The difference between the measure of 2 supplementary angles is 18. Okay, do we know either of them?
No.
So one angle is x, and the other angle is what? When you subtract them, you get 18. So one is 18 bigger, one is 18 smaller, because you could also do x minus 18. That would be fine. Okay? So, but now it's supplement. So x and x plus 18 equals 180. How about 84?
No, when you minus 18, it would be.
Oh, Miss Holman. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. So 81 and
81 plus 18.
which is
Words out of my mouth.
we're gonna do true false real quick. Here we go. KHJ and GHM are complementary. They're congruent. That's it. Okay. GHK and JHK are a linear pair. Yep, those make a line. HL is perpendicular to HJ. Nope. This is a 90-degree angle. Right here. Which means the other two would add up to 90. Adjacent means next door. So GHM and MHK. Do they share a side?
Yes.
Okay, HL and HM, are those perpendicular?
Yes.
There we go.
Permanent.